Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO iQOO 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. So, once your content is open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get a sound along with this pop-up right here with a option for long screenshot, or the second one was share. So if you plan to capture a long screenshot, you need a content that can be actually scrolled down. As an example, settings would be one of those where you can just continuously keep scrolling down. So you can utilize that there. Here we don't really have anything. This is not really considered scrolling down. Anyway, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in the Albums application, which contains obviously all the photos here. And you want to navigate to actual albums. And in here, you'll see Screenshots folder or album, depending how you want to call it. And there we go. As you can see, there is one and the second one. So that is how you can capture a screenshot on this phone, and also where you can find that screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.